In this short video, we'll see my solution to the PageRank exercise of the CS50AI course. Let's try with corpus 0, and we'll see that we have two different approach results. The first one comes from the sampling approach that is based on Markov chain, and the second is from the iterative algorithm. Let's try another time, and we see that the results are very close to each other, but the results that comes from the first approach is slightly different from the previous results, again coming from the first approach, because the first approach is based on sampling and has a pseudo-random element, so it's not deterministic, while the second approach is deterministic. Let's try with corpus 1, and again we'll see that the results are slightly close to each other for every pages. And lastly, corpus 2, again we can see very similar results for every page. Okay, thank you for watching.